Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walkaround. If you're looking for a perfect Nissan Rogue, this might be it. This is the 2015, of course. Stock number is 7234A. Let's give you that virtual video walkaround experience, taking a look at this vehicle up close and personal without looking at static photos. Take notice of the passenger side rear exterior, making our way around to the back. And we're going to take you right up the driver's side. You got company, friends, family traveling with you. Take notice of the ample legroom in the back. No rips, no tears, no stains on the interior. And lots of room to hold your cargo. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. You just get more here at Sunset Ford. Giving you a sneak peek of the front dash. This vehicle has had a 150-point vehicle inspection. Does have a clean Carfax history report that comes included with it. It's got the four-wheel disc brakes with a 2.5-liter 14 dual overhead cam 16-valve motor. Just over 50,000 miles on this vehicle, and you can see it's in impeccable condition. For more information on this Nissan or any other vehicles in our inventory, we invite you to give us a call, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We look forward to meeting you in person and hopefully earning your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner, see you, make it a great day. Take care.